Today we return an incredible property here located on the southwest side of DeLand in the premier McGregor Road corridor. This property sits on 2.75 acres, over 4,600 square feet, and has the coolest pool I have seen in a home yet. So stick around to the end, as you're going to want to see the 3,000 square foot barn and shop, the in-law suites, the pool, and all the space and features this property has to offer. By the way, thank you so much Terry Bailey for helping us tour this property here today and giving us access to the home. We would love to work with you, and for current price and availability, reach out to me on the phone number on the screen and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. All right, now enough of me talking, let's go ahead and take a look at the property. Okay, so I'm up here in the front of the property and we're looking here. There's a shared driveway. There's only two homes down this street. There's a shared driveway, so we've got this property over here and then we've got this property right here. So 2.75 total acres. Rough property line is going to be where that fence is there in the back. And then rough property line in the front side here is going to share the boundary on that fence here and towards the front. And then it's very rectangular from here on back. As you're going to notice, you've got just a very elegant design here in the front. You've got a lot of stonework, very custom home. This is one of a kind, very custom. They didn't mass produce this at all, and you'll see exactly why as we get further on into the property. Very unique features to the zoning here in this home is that you're unincorporated west side of Volusia County, and you do have some agricultural purposes that you could use a home for. So you want chickens, anything like that, you've got more than capability on the zoning for the home. All right, walking up here towards the front of the property, just a grand entrance, very tall ceilings, lots of paver work here, stonework on the columns, and then you do have the pull-through driveway right there. So if it's raining, anything like that, you just park under there, you take your groceries inside. It's just a great feature to have here, especially in a property of this prestige. All right, so coming in here into the front door, we're gonna be welcomed by the foyer and talk about some ornate ceilings. I mean, these are very particular in style, so you might love it or you might hate it, but you've got very ornate ceilings. And you do have some marbled and travertine flooring sporadic throughout the house as well, along with a couple carpeted areas, but it's got a very elegant feel to it. Of course, you got the grand piano here. It's how they currently use the space. Could be another seating area. A lot of built-ins there in the walls. And then here, you do have another seating area as well. So this is just the foyer of the property, but I'll give you a little sneak peek of the pool back here. This is a luxury resort style pool. You got a sun shelf and it really is incredible. You got two grottos going over the pool area. You've got a hot tub up there and a little cave. It's just really neat. So we're gonna go out there later. But first we're gonna head out to we're gonna call this the east side of the property. Technically it's the west, but we turned right coming in the door, and we'll start all the way at the garage and then work our way back through the rest of the house. All right, so this garage is oversized 2-car, and it is fully air conditioned as well. So currently they use it as a gym. They don't use it as a garage in its current state, but you do have AC operating through the garage here. Got a sauna here, and it's a deep 2-car. So if you want to use it as a garage, you're more than welcome to. You've got the epoxy floors in here, built-in Murphy bed. So they did use it more of a living space rather than a garage. Coming back through the house. So this would be, if you use it as a garage, this would be your walk-in. On the right-hand side, we've got a really neat home theater. So it's a darker room by design, not a ton of light in here. You've got a projector screen, you've got speakers all around the room, left, right, bottom of the front screen there. Speakers back here, back here, back here, back here, fully giving you a surround sound system. These are electric recliner chairs. So you just press a button and it goes ahead and reclines. Just a neat space there, truly a home theater. Another office space here. It's kind of built into like a utility room. You do have some of your electronics all tied in here to one spot for the theater room too. All right, moving on. So got a guest full bathroom with a stand-up shower. Here in Florida, we do consider this a full bathroom, not a 3/4 bathroom. All right, and then this is gonna be a game room. Now this has 2 pocket doors, separating it here from the hallway. And if you remember, this is the first door from like the foyer room area. So this is directly across from the foyer room, but a great big space here, perfect for a pool table. Again, very ornate, elegant design, tray ceilings, very unique. You don't see that a lot. You do have hardwood floors as well in this room. All right, let's go ahead and take a look here into the primary bedroom. And this has a huge wraparound closet. So here in the primary bedroom walking in, you've got travertine flooring and vinyl under here where the bed area is. Again, another ornate ceiling design, designed around where the bed should sit. You've got just a walk-in space there to the ensuite bathroom, and we're gonna get back there in just a second. But this door right here ties into the closet that walks all the way behind the room. So we're gonna go ahead and get to that in just a minute. We're not gonna spend a lot of time looking in the closets or anything like that, as this home currently is occupied and they're in the middle of moving out. But here in this bathroom area, we've got double vanities, custom cabinetry, huge garden tub, lots and lots of windows to your private backyard, and that custom resort style pool. So just to kind of give you a little idea where we are, we've got that custom resort style pool right here, but take a look at the shower space. Lots of custom stonework done. Got the rainfall shower head, we got lights above. Talk about a retreat. All right, then you've got another water closet right here. And then again, this is that closet that goes all the way behind where the bed sits. So you've got a closet that wraps all the way behind that wall right there out here. Tons and tons of storage for you. All right, let's go ahead and keep moving, because this is a big property, so I need to keep the speed up. All right, so here's the dining room with multiple different views to the pool and patio area. Really neat summer kitchen that we're gonna get to there. Double-sided fireplace here in the living room. Again, these ceilings, lots of custom work to them. Gourmet kitchen, got a Thermador gas range, higher end appliances, double oven, built-in pantry, and then we do have some swivel chairs, really neat here on the edge of the island, but so much cabinet space around the island. They really did not waste any space here in the kitchen. You've got just an abundance of it. We'll get to the outside here in just a minute. We're gonna get to the other 2 bedrooms that remain inside the home here. And then under the same roof, we'll get into the in-law suite. All right, so here is bedroom 1. Pretty standard sized bedroom there. Another bedroom over here, another standard bedroom. Towards the front driveway through that window. And then we do have another full bathroom over here. So far we have seen 3 full bathrooms. And then we're gonna get out here to the in-law suite. All right, one place I did not walk through as far as inside the house, one place I did not get to was the screened-in lanai. All right, so the screened-in lanai, you've got 2 of them here. You've got one right here, this is off of the laundry room. And then there is a little bit of a chicken run there, or a cat run. And then you do have a private lanai just for the in-law suite. So this portico that goes over the driveway here, that separates the in-law suite from the rest of the main house here. So this portico leads you to the in-law suite. And this has a full apartment setup. Luxury kitchen that's been fully redone, granite countertops, high-end appliances, nice cabinetry. So you got a full kitchen, living room, full bathroom. Again, it's been nicely redone. And then the bedroom. So again, in the middle of a move out, so it's not fully staged, ready to go, but do have just a phenomenal, truly a great setup for an in-law suite. If you're looking to do Airbnb, if you're looking to have families stay a little bit closer by, you've got plenty of opportunities for that. So just a great setup for the possibility of a short-term rental. Now here locally, as we walk out to the outside and we get to the pool area here, talk a little bit about the zoning location. This is located on the southwest side of DeLand, which is about 25 to 30 minutes north of downtown Orlando. And you're also located only about 10 minutes from Stetson, downtown DeLand area. You got lots of space. And since you're unincorporated west side of Volusia, you can use this as a short-term rental property too. So if you wanted to rent out some of these other spaces within the property, short-term via Airbnb, anything like that, you're more than welcome to do so according to the zoning. All right, now we've reached the back patio. Again, bear with us, it's not fully staged in the middle of moving out. Got the outdoor kitchen set up here, nice bar, seating area, and check out that pool view. We can get there. Double-sided fireplace. All right, this deck and pool area is second to none from what I have seen. You've got a PebbleTech finish, and the story is that the first owner of the property actually owned a pool building company. So when he did a custom build, he custom built the pool like none other than I have seen. I've seen a lot of pools here in my days, but again, a separate covered area here. So you got two outdoor living areas. We're gonna go take a look at this portico. So this is so cool. You got a lap set up here at the pool. So perfect for laps. You gotta step in there, and just quite a lengthy pool area. It is so much bigger than it might look on camera. Huge. So I'm standing above the pool area here looking back at the house. And then really neat, there is a big waterfall right here. The pump's not turned on at the moment. But then you've got this hot tub set up. And it goes there into this little cave. How cool is that? Then you've got another setup up there. And then above the top, you do have a gas line for a fire ring right across. You got a fire tube that goes right across there, giving it just unbelievable ambiance during the evening time frames. Just a really neat property. All right, we'll keep moving. I'll let you keep looking at the pool. So further back that direction, that fence line there is the yard space, but there's even more that goes beyond that. Outside here, you do have outdoor showers, and yes, a half bath set up right there. This is the pool equipment area. Now, this might be a little bit daunting for some. There are 8 different pool pumps here that operate this luxury resort style pool. Might be overwhelming to some, but if you get the right help, this could easily be managed as well. 2 different pool heaters, storage, garden area, but check out how much space is here in the backyard. Again, 2.75 acres, and that is a 3,000 square foot shop that we're gonna get into next that also has an apartment inside of it. You got picnic table area out there. So you got 1, 2 different picnic tables. And at the very beginning of the video, I mentioned that there was a fence line that might be the property line, good reference point for it. This is that chain link fence line right here. Nice shaded swing right there on the tree setup. I mean, this property is huge. Absolutely massive. So we're all done on the inside and the backyard. We're gonna get to the last part of the property here. And this is gonna be the 3,000 square foot shop that easily could be used as a workspace. There's another 1-1 apartment inside of the shop too. And you've got some air conditioning in there too. All right, so I just went through the fence line here through the gate. And then a reference point here, you've got a circle driveway. So if you're a big entertainer, Maybe you're gonna use this as a little bit of a workspace. You could run a business out of the zoning here too, which is great. Maybe you've got a lawn care company, pool company, need some extra space for trucks. So much space running along here. Again, there's that portico cover that goes over between the in-law suite and main house. Circle driveway right back here. All right, heading into the apartment space. You could call this another in-law suite area if you would like. It's not as formal of a space as the other one, but you could easily fit a bed right there. And then you've got 2 sliding barn doors that could make this into a bedroom setup. Got a small kitchenette area set up here. A living room space. This is the front door that we just came in here. And again, we're under that barn setup, that 3,000 square foot barn. Here's a laundry room. And then check out this space here for the bathroom. Updated vanity, countertops, and just an incredible tiled shower area. All right, next up, we're actually gonna go look inside of the warehouse space. All right, so this is a bit less finished off than the rest of the spaces. It truly is like a warehouse setup. And one really neat thing, check out, there's AC throughout this entire shop. Fully air conditioned space. You've got insulation there in the ceilings, insulation on the walls. And I know that there's a lot of stuff in here at the moment, but this is a great big space. You've got overhead storage over a couple of the different offices or the apartment that we just left. The apartment that we just left is actually behind that wall right there. Got 3,000 square feet remaining. And then this room here, you've got more of an office setup. So if you've got maybe an at-home office, a crew that maybe needs to come work, the zoning is so flexible here that you could run an office space. So very neat.